If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah.
Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey, girl, hey. Y'all, I told you I was going to give you guys a review. It really is not a review. It's going to be my first impressions of the Mane Choice Tropical Moringa line. Guys, I did a full wash day as well as a style. And I showed you how I got this little puff deal that I'm probably going to rock all summer long. I did that little ending part just for you, BB. So I'm going to show you how I got this. And I'm going to tell you guys how I feel about these products. So go check it out. All right, y'all. The first thing I'm going to do is go in with the shampoo. Some of the claims are to help with shedding, add shine, moisture, reduce frizz, soften hair. And that's the consistency of it. It's like your regular conditioner. But the one thing I will say about it, normally when you get a shampoo that has that pearl look, it's normally very moisturizing. But this one, to me, it reminds me of a clarifying shampoo. It doesn't strip the hair, but you know that your hair is clean. Like, you know it's clean. I went back in with some more for the back. This product is what? $13.99 for 8 ounces. So it's your typical amount of shampoo. The price is a little high, but it's your typical amount for shampoo. It's supposed to be for curly, wavy, kinky hair. And it smells divine. Everything smells the same. And I will say, it got my hair clean. But sometimes when you have those moisturizing shampoos, you can kind of do like a mini detangle. I would not recommend doing that. It definitely feels more like a clarifying shampoo. Now, the next step to this process of my wash day is I went in with their mask, and you see that's about how much I used in that one area. Now, this mask cost $17.99 for 8 ounces. And so I applied it all over my head. I'm not that impressed with the mask. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you that. For one, the amount and the price, it's kind of pricey. And my favorite all-time mask is that TGIN Honey Miracle Mask. And it's 12 ounces. And I think it's $14 or $15 versus this one is basically $18 for 8 ounces. And I did not get the same results that I normally get from my other masks. It just didn't feel the same. And what I did at first, I normally don't sit under the dryer with my mask. Normally I just put my cap on and then, walk around the house for an hour or two. Sometimes I might even sleep in it or whatever. But with this one, I kept it on for about an hour, took the mask off, and took the plastic cap off, and I just did not like the way it felt. So I had to go under the dryer. So I would recommend using it under the dryer for at least 30 minutes. And once I came from up under the dryer, it did feel a lot better. But it was okay. Nothing to write home about. And that's about how much I have left after I did my whole head. So hopefully I can get another 4, at least 3 uses out of this. I'm hoping that's what I can do. So as you see, I'm putting my little plastic cap on and I'm gonna walk around, but I'm definitely have to get under the dryer. Make sure you use this, get under the dryer for the best results. Now, I'll be back. The next thing I'm gonna do is look at my hair. It felt okay. It felt okay. It was soft. I mean, it was okay. It was soft. And the next process is going to be the leave-in conditioner. And this one is supposed to help restore natural growth and retention. And it says it helps strengthens, protects, adds softness, improves hair condition, improves elasticity. What else it says? It does nourish drier hair. I do say it did make my hair feel moisturized. Now this conditioner is either a regular rinse out or you can use it as a leave-in. I decided to use it as a leave-in. This costs how much? $13.99, and it's 8 ounces as well. this is the one product that I don't know if I need. And this is a first impression video, so I'm gonna continue to use it, but I'm not really sure if I will repurchase this, because this might just be a step that I feel like I might not need to do, because I feel like the next product can do the same thing as the leave-in conditioner, because it makes my hair feel, you know, basically the same, if not softer. So we'll see. Now the next thing I use is this spray. Y'all, I really don't know. I don't have no thoughts about the spray. This is a daily restorative spray. You get 8 ounces for this, and it's $13.99. The reason why I used it was because it says to use these products on damp hair. My hair was drying out, so that's why I sprayed it. So I'm gonna definitely have to use this and give you guys my final review, because I really don't have no comment on it, because I really didn't use it the way it's supposed to be used as far as to restore your hair. So now the next product is the sealing cream. Now the sealing cream is 8 ounces as well, and it's $14.99. Now the sealing cream is one of the products that I bought first, and I really like this cream. And it's supposed to replenish and seal in lasting moisture, which it does. It says it's supposed to make your hair soft. Oh my God, it makes it extremely soft. Help reduce breakage and add shine and luster. And to me, I feel like I can use this product instead of the conditioner. The next thing I'm using is the Pearly Braid Out Glaze. Now, this Pearly Braid I can't talk, y'all. Braid Out Glaze is 12 ounces, and it costs $14.99. Now, I enjoyed it, but I'm gonna go back to the sealing because I got time to talk. Okay, let's go back to the sealing cream. The sealing cream to me was very moisturizing, and you can really use it as a styler. You're not gonna get any super hold, but your definition will look really great. And then when you combine it with the glaze, I felt like it was even better. Look at my curls popping, y'all. Curls be popping. My curls are popping. So I think using these two together is a really great combination. And I didn't put a lot of the glaze because I really didn't know how they would play well with one another. I didn't want any flaking or any crunchiness or nothing like that. But I really like these two products. These are the two products I know for sure I will be repurchasing, and I do like these. And someone asked me how to do a twist out. So I'm finna show you guys. I always make sure my product is in my hair really well, and I split my hair evenly. You see that? And once you get your two sides, you just simply twist them. The key is do not borrow. And when I say do not borrow, I mean don't take hair from one side to the other. See how I'm just using those two strands, and I'm not grabbing and pulling from each other strand. I'm just using those two strands and twist all the way down. And then when you get close to the end, you'll see me just do a little twist with my fingers. And that's how you basically do a two-strand twist. It's very, very simple. But guys, look at the elongation that the product gives you. Now that's another thing I will say about these two together. When you take your hair down, my hair has more what they call a hang time. It falls more than what it would normally do if I had not used. This is the first product I've ever had actually give me that hang time. So what I ended up doing was I didn't sit under the dryer. I literally just, once I finished twisting, I pulled my hair back and put on my little do-rag or whatever, went to bed, slept on it, and let it dry that way. They say you can sit on the dryer, but I didn't do that. I just air dried it. So the next thing you'll see is me taking my hair down the next day, y'all. And I'm fast forwarding through this part because y'all know, but you don't want to watch me take my hair down. But I do have a lot of depth. You see that definition? But I have to break mine up a lot because my hair is thin and I want that volume. But if I feel like my hair was thicker, I wouldn't have to do that as much. And I'm going to just go in and show you guys how I do my puff. Someone asked me about that. So while you watch me do my puff, I'm going to give you my final thoughts. This is a really good line. First of all, it's black owned, support a sister. And I love doing that. And I'm going to tell you from my least favorite to my favorite. my least favorite to me is the mask. I'm gonna continue to use the mask to give it a, a fair chance, but this is a first impression. But for one, it's the price. It's $18 for 8 ounces, so I don't feel like it's enough. And it's not doing nothing fantastic for me to feel like it's worth me paying $18 for. So that is my least favorite product of them all. And after I use it all up and I come back, my opinion may change, but right now that's it. And then the next product, I would have to say, is the leave-in conditioner. And it's not that it's bad, I just feel like it's an unnecessary step. Because I feel like the sealing cream can do the same thing as the conditioner. So I'm not sure if I'm going to repurchase this or not once I'm done. But once I do my review, my final review, I'll let you know. But I just feel like I don't know if I really need it. And then the next product after that would have to be the shampoo. Now, the reason why I have a problem with the shampoo, it's not a problem, but I just don't feel that moisture that they're talking about. To me, it reminds me of a clarifying shampoo. And for me to pay $14 for it, it's the price that really is getting me for the shampoo. And I don't feel like it's doing what it says it will. In 6 weeks, I might change my view. Now, the next product is the spray. And the only reason why it's the next product is simply because I did not use it. So I don't really know how it works based on how it's supposed to work. You know what I'm saying? And then, I love the sealing cream and I love the glaze. Those are my 2 favorites. And y'all look at my hair. My hair looks absolutely gorgeous. It turned out really nice and very soft, very, very soft and shiny. I didn't use no type of oil, no nothing. So it does a great job. And I'll be back in 6 weeks to let you know how I feel about it. All right, ladies. Now you saw my full wash day. You saw my style. You saw my thoughts on all the products. This is a first impression video. I believe in giving a product, a full chance, because there's some products I'm kind of like, some products I'm like, yes, automatically I'm down for. So I'm going to give these products a full 4 wash days. So that'll be about maybe 4 to 6 weeks. And I'm going to come back and give you a final review on all these products and let you know if you should purchase, if I think, they're worth purchasing on the price and all that kind of stuff. But you already see what I thought about my first impressions, and the ones that I really do like. And especially the sealing cream and the braid out, what is it called? The pearl braid out glaze. These 2, automatically, I absolutely love those. And the other ones I'm going to give a chance, and I'll let you know how I feel about those later on. And guys, I really appreciate it. I hope you like these kind of videos. I don't do a lot of hair videos, but I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to start doing more hair videos, natural hair videos. Let me know. And that's it, y'all. I'm about to get out of here. To all of my new subscribers, I see you, and I truly, truly appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
This is Lori's life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life. Yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life. Yeah, it's Lori's life.